Kavita. How are you doing today? It's been a long time. Last we had a conversation, so thank you so much for joining me. And how have you been? How life has been treating you?
Thank you so much, Swati, for inviting me. I'm absolutely well. You tell me, how about you? How's your life treating you?
Yes, Kavita, I am doing great, and life has been treating me well nowadays. And as you know, now I have been starting teaching to the people, those who want to, good at this language. So 4 months ago, I have started. So I am enjoying my journey. Life is treating me well.
That
Yes.
that's so nice. That's so nice. Mhm.
So, Kavita, for the sake of this video, please introduce yourself first, then I will follow you.
Sure. So my name is Kavita Pawar, and I basically from Uttarakhand. Professionally, I have been a private tutor for the past 13 years, conducting both online and offline classes. Alongside academic tutoring, I'm an English enthusiast. I help beginners and intermediate develop their spoken English skills in an easy and interactive way. And on a personal note, I'm a mother of two grown-up children, and that's all about me.
Okay, that's really great. You are also doing amazing in your life. So, Kavita, as you are
Thank
very consistent since you have been learning this language. So, how do you manage this consistency, which makes you motivate all the time to maintain your consistency?
Okay, so Swati, I believe that consistency plays a very vital role. Like it doesn't matter that in which skill, like in whatsoever we want to achieve. Like some of the persons they want to build muscles, some of the one they want to become an avid reader
Mhm.
and learn English, learn any other languages. But for me, consistency means a small habits. Okay.
Mhm.
Once you build your small habit consistently with through practice, so that means consistency. So I know this rule. I know that if
Yes.
I will not be consistent enough, so definitely I'm going to lack in my life. So I all the time push myself not to achieve big thing in a one single day. I
Mhm.
believe in doing small, small things. So I am doing my best and I do and follow the same path that small habits makes a man perfect.
Yes,
Isn't
and
it? Every
yes,
yeah.
definitely. I totally agree you. And as we are all, taking inspiration from each other and try to maintain our consistency. So, Kavita, should I introduce myself for the sake of this video?
Sorry.
Should I introduce myself?
Oh yes, yes, definitely,
Because you are
definitely. Although I
also.
know, but
Mhm.
yes, I want you to introduce yourself too.
Yes. So, as you know, Kavita, my name is Swati, and I'm from a very beautiful place, Jammu and Kashmir. I'm a homemaker, mother of one child. Talking about my hobbies, I love reading, listening to music, watching movie, playing badminton. And apart from this, 4 months ago, I have started teaching spoken English to the people, those who wants to learn this language, and I am enjoying this journey. That's a little bit about me. Yes.
That's so lovely introductions.
Mhm. So we are now talking about consistency. So as you already said that for you, consistency means small daily actions. So yes, definitely when you take small daily actions towards your goal, whether results are not visible immediately, but you are taking those small action because you believe that these small action one day create a big result. So definitely consistency means when you start taking small actions and try to build your confidence, because when you maintain the consistency, definitely you start believing in yourself, because you also get improvement day by day. So in this way, consistency definitely means that taking small daily action, because we all know that Rome wasn't built in a day. So you need to be very patient at the same time. So definitely
Sure,
over a
sure.
period of time, these small action create a really very big, result. Yes. Mhm.
Yeah, absolutely well said.
Yes. So Kavita, do you believe that consistency is more powerful than talent? Why or why not?
Yes, Swati, it's a lovely question. I do also believe that consistency is more important than talent, because a person can be talent, but if he or she is not very particular with his practices, with his regular routine, so he may fall behind one and another day. Okay. So let's suppose another one, like he's very, enthusiast and very, keen interest. He has a burning desire in himself that he anyhow will complete this task, and he's very disciplined person. So it's a proven, that talent, a talented person's, cannot achieve single. And if a talent and consistency both comes together, so definitely the person will do whatever he want to do and achieve in their life. And we know that, a story, a rabbit and tortoise story,
Yes, slow and
after being
steady
lots
wins
of
the race.
talent, after being lots of talent, a tortoise, not won the race, So, like
Yes.
we know that consistency matter a lot, a small steps matter a lot.
Yes, slow
So
and
I'm also doing
steady
my
wins
best.
the race.
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race. Yeah.
Mhm.
So only talent is not sufficient. We all have to, be very consistent with our practices. Okay.
Yes, definitely. Definitely, I agree, Kavita, with you because, as you know, since my school time, I was very fascinated towards this language, but I didn't maintain the consistency. And 1.5 year ago, I started taking small actions to learn this language, and now I'm good. If I took the first step in my school, maybe I'm good, more good at this language, more confident at this language, and maybe I'm at another place. And I think definitely consistency really important, crucial important role in our lives because it's not only about you have some desire, but you have to need to take small actions. That time I just only into reading, writing, but I was not listening. I was not into watching. I was not into speaking. So I think you have to take small daily action even for 10 minutes. You can
Yes.
maintain your consistency as well as you can get good result. Yes, it takes time, it needs your patient, but over
Patience.
a period
Yeah.
of time definitely you will get good result. So now I am also finding good result in myself because of my consistency. 1.5 year, every day I try to read, write, listen, watch, shadowing practice, and having conversation with different people. So these small daily action. Today I am conversing with you on a topic. But if I talk about 1.5 year ago, I was struggling to speak this language. So definitely these
Yeah.
small consistency, small daily action definitely is more important than talent. So
Yeah.
yes,
Definitely.
everyone cannot be
Definitely.
talent by born, but yes, definitely with consistency they can become good at that skill, whatever the skill they want to learn. Okay. Yes.
Definitely. Definitely. I
So
totally agree with you. Mhm.
yes. So Kavita, why do many people start something with so much excitement but fail to continue it? What would be the reason behind it, according to you?
Yes. Swati, like if I talk about this excitement part, so you must also have seen that it's a, human tendency.
Yes.
We all are, first of all, I would say that, by nature, human being is so lazy. Okay.
Mhm.
So it's a natural, I'm not saying that all person are same, but most of the people. So like this, like as you are saying that we feel so excited, we feel like that no, we have to make our resolutions on January. Most of you people just jot it down and lots of resolutions, make lots of resolutions, but by the end of February even they may fall behind. They don't feel like that continue doing their passion, doing whatsoever skill. So
Yes.
why? The question is why. So I would tell that, I have seen that, in this fast-paced world, we all people, are losing our patience because
Yes.
once we need anything, we make a call and the things, just right in front of us. By call, if we want to send a message, in a second we can send a message, email, and everything is now, becoming so fast. After
Yes.
AI, after this Gemini, now it is more convenient to us to do anything. So these, easy things and comfortable life makes us so curious and makes us so impatient, uh, somehow,
Yes.
isn't
Mhm.
it? So if I talk about this excitement, so now we are feeling that yes, if we can do other things in a second, so why not we can develop any skills in a second? But these two things are totally different. We cannot build any skills in a second, in a minute, even in a month. Okay, so
Yes.
that's the reason that we may fall behind, because for building any kind of a skill, whether it's you are a sportsman person, you want to build
Mhm.
your communication skill, you want to become or get any kind of post promotions, you have to be very consistent and you have to be patience enough and do your
Yes.
best at your hard work. Okay, so nothing is
Mhm.
easy in life. So if a person, I would say again, like if you are excited, then
Mhm.
definitely you are going to start your journey, and we all can. But if we are not consistent with our practices, so definitely we lose our interest. And second other things is like if we don't see any kind of result, we people
Mhm.
have this kind of tendency, like if I'm going to learn this language, so soon I will get the result.
Yes,
But
definitely.
I always tell to my students as well, you know, it's like if you see result, well and good, but if you don't see any kind of result, positive result in your this study point of view and this communication skills, because you have to be keep your journey, you have to just moving ahead in your life and do your best. So this is the
Yes.
main, another reason that we all expect the positive result, a good result,
Mhm.
that one day I start this skill and on the other few days later, we will become a master. So we should avoid these kind of expectations.
Yes, I totally agree with you on this point that yes, people start
Yeah.
their journey with excitement, but over a period of time, when that excitement fade away, they start stopping because maybe they don't have clear reason behind that. Maybe they have don't clear set goal behind that. They just start with excitement, and as we all know that consistency also comes with boring. Over a period of time, you have to go through boring part because you have to repeat the same task again and again, again and again towards your goal. So when
Definitely.
people don't have that kind of clear goal, that time they start losing that motivation. And as we all know, that motivation is a kind of emotions. So sometimes you feel motivated, sometimes you feel, like unmotivated. So this is a kind
Yeah.
of emotions. So we should need to learn why consistency is important. And as you said, that today world is a social media world. We want instant result, and when instant result we didn't get or we don't get in our life, so we start losing motivation. So this is also one of the reason people start losing that motivation and stop in between. Initially when I started my journey with this language, I was very excited. I was having conversation every day, and after 2 months I lose my that type of motivation and stop. And then I took break of 2 months, and then again start. But I somehow able to start my journey because I had a clear goal behind me that I would like to become a teacher. I would like to teach some people, those who are also struggling in this language. So yes, I get to know from this consistency that yes, you have to go through some boring part, but you have to accept, you have to just continue, and you have to trust the process, you have to enjoy the process. And now I'm enjoying, I'm trying to learn new things, so it gives me some kind of motivation every day. But as we all know that taking action also
Your
comes
voice is
with
low, Swati.
motivation. Yes.
Your voice is low in between. Voice.
Okay. Voice. And we all know that with consistency we can get more and more result. So now my voice is okay.
Yeah. Better.
I don't know, maybe a network issue today since morning. We are facing. It's raining outside.
Okay. Okay. It's better now.
Okay, but now it's from your side. It's slow. Hello,
Yeah, am I audible?
audible. I think I do something with my laptop, and now your voice is little bit low, but it's okay. I can hear you.
Great.
Okay. So next question, Kavita, I would like to ask you that how can a person build consistency when they lack motivation?
Okay. So as you already described, Swati, like motivations, like always help us to push our journey. Okay. So we should not rely on motivations part, but we, believe in ourselves and believe in present scenario and believe in actions. So if I know that my goal is to become an avid reader, an eloquent speaker, and a great teacher, so definitely instead of hearing, watching other motivational video that you
Yes.
should do this, can do this, you have to done this. Okay, listening one time is enough, but you have to take an action. Okay, so always actions comes first and then motivations part comes later. But now the thing is this, everyone achieve success, achieve good things. So how do we do this? For that, you don't need to do anything bigger in your life. So you have to, follow the few steps. Let's suppose if I talk about this English language, okay? So what are the things that you need to follow to become an eloquent speaker, to become an communicator, good communicator? Okay.
Yes.
So don't follow this wrong method that you can read 10 pages in a one single day. This is something not possible for anyone. So if you give small targets, small tasks to your brain will feel that okay, this is very easy, I can do it very nice. So don't overwhelm, don't overstress, don't burn out. You only need to take a small baby tiny steps. Just read one page a day. If you want to become an good sportsman, so you have to just go daily and start with 10 minutes and 15 minutes, and then soon you can increase your time. Okay, so it
Yes.
happens all the practices. And let's suppose one students ask me like, ma'am, I'm struggling how to read books. Whenever I start reading, I feel so overwhelmed, do not feel like that continue the chapter and continue the story. Same thing I advise, that you only need to find out your interest and your niche. Let's suppose might be you are not into a self-help book, you are not into a motivational kind of book. You just give a small thing to your brain, like let's suppose take a small story. Okay, so enjoy reading this story. Maybe those self-help book is not your type. Okay, and secondly, few things that we can do, okay, to inculcate and to start any kind of new habits in your life. Keep the book in front of your eyes, so whenever you are passing from this way, you can easily watch this book on your table, and some on the reachable side easily, and you can read it. Okay, but if we make a plan and go accordingly, and just do a small tiny steps over a period of time, definitely we will see that we are not the same person as we are before.
Yes.
Okay, so these things I always believe that we should not rely on motivational stand up video a lot, rather we should take an action.
Yes, definitely. Totally agree with you. We should create that kind of environment for us so that we can start taking action. So in this way, when we start taking action, if we want to lose our weight, so start taking action. You can change your diet a little bit. You can start with walking. You don't need to, go to first day gym and doing gym for 1 hour. And in this way, you can lose your motivation over time when you feel like you are feeling exhausted. So definitely with small daily action, whatever the achievement that you want to achieve, whatever the goal you have, you want to achieve. So definitely, according to that, we need to, make small action. We need to make small plan to achieve those action or achieve those goals. So in this way, we can beat the motivation as well, because those people who only, waiting for motivation, only just watching motivation video at the end, they just, stop doing taking action. So this is also one of the reason that people just waiting for motivation, and when they get motivation they start, and over a period of time when they do something great in a day, so definitely their mind feel exhausted at the end. So definitely we need to, make small goal and try to achieve those. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So, Kavita, can you share an example of a time when your consistency helped you to achieve something?
If I need to take my example, so definitely just right now, not even a one, I can, just recall two example of my life, but